Malaysia Airlines Airbus A380 operates flights from Kuala Lumpur to London. Malaysia Airlines has fitted its A380s in a typical 3-class layout accommodating 494 passengers in 8 open-suite first-class seats, 66 flat-bed business-class seats and 420 standard economy-class seats. The first-class seats are located in the main deck with a 1-2-1 seat formation. The business class seats are located in the upper deck with a 2-2-2 seat formation. The business class has a total of 66 seats, 33 double assembly. The economy class seats are in a formation of 2-4-2 on the upper deck and 3-4-3 on the main deck. The economy class seats have a total of 420 seats.